Hello guys, we are here in Tblustar showing you how to assemble the RapidLoo Pro. Alessandro is taking first the tank with the base. You can take the time if you want. You can see how easy. And the panels is locking with the latches. As you can see, there's no rivets. Those rivets is in the past. Now the future is the RapidLoo Pro. Put the three panels. Locking the door with the frame. Door and frame comes already assembled from the factory, so you don't have to do anything. We are making it easy for you. Now he's putting the ventilation pipe. He's securing the roof with the latches. Alessandro is our team leader. He's expert doing this. All the toilet is now assembled. Just putting the urinal at the last, and you have the toilet assembled. Less than 2 minutes.